Greetings, fellow plant enthusiasts. Today we're embarking on a botanical adventure to explore the captivating world of the mahogany fern, scientifically known as Didymochlaena truncatula, native to lush rainforests and tropical regions. This fern has a lineage intertwined with nature's beauty and evolution. From its origins to its place in modern horticulture, the mahogany fern has a story as fascinating as its appearance, thrives in human environments with indirect light, making it an excellent choice for indoor gardening. Providing well-draining soil, regular misting, and avoiding direct sunlight contribute to its optimal growth and vibrancy. Its fine, delicate fronds harmonize well with other shade-loving plants like calathea, begonia, and peperomia. Together, they create a tranquil oasis of greenery and texture. The mahogany fern is not just a plant, it's a living work of art. Its unique fronds lend themselves beautifully to floral arrangements, adding depth and texture to bouquets. Additionally, the fern's elegance makes it a popular choice for interior decor, imparting a touch of natural beauty to any space. And there you have it, the captivating world of Didymochlaena truncatula, the mahogany fern. For more quick insights into gardening, farming, and the diverse wonders of living organisms, make sure to subscribe to our channel. And our other channels in the channel features tab, wishing you joyful gardening and farming, and may the mahogany fern grace your life with its timeless allure. With their deep green hue and finely cut, feathery appearance, these fronds evoke a sense of elegance and sophistication. The frond's unique shape and texture set this fern apart, making it a true gem in the world of foliage.